The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my favorite time of the year, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's Christmas again. So in today's video, I'm gonna share how we are all getting ready for the big day, how we are getting ready in preparation for Christmas. So I hope you're inspired.
For us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside.
Alright, so let's just go ahead and recap, guys. After you finish seeing the whole finished look, this is how it all got started. Okay, so as you all can see, I have my brand new Christmas tree right here. This tree is from King of Christmas. Is a flocked, I think this is the King 8-foot Christmas tree. I absolutely love this tree, guys. If you watched my Christmas decor last year, you remember I told you guys like I was gonna do flocked tree this year. I actually tried to flock my own tree last year and it was a disaster. It was just a mess. So I'm so happy we were able to, you know, get our first tree to be a flocked tree. So the first thing you guys can see me doing here is I'm going ahead to put some ornaments on the tree. I always find that it's easier when I go ahead and put my ornaments first before then putting maybe ribbons or any other thing. And as you all can see, I'm actually working with I would say 3 different colors for this year. I have, of course, pink, which is the main color of the year, and then I decided to put in some white, some gold, because you guys know it can be an Omabelletv video without a touch of gold. So that is exactly what I'm working with this year. And over here I'm kind of showing you guys how how I'm forming my ribbon. So it all depends on you. This one is the 3 kind of strand ribbon. If you want to add a little bit of kind of design to your ribbon, if you just don't want your ribbon to be flat, right, you can go ahead and put some designs on it. And over here I just did the 3 designed ribbon. I like to do it and then use my staple to staple it, and this one is the 1 2 3 4 5. This one is the 5 step. So it all depends on you. It's very easy to do. You just go ahead and kind of tie the ribbon all together, right, and then you staple it, and you can then go back in and just straighten it and fix it the way you want it. So once I'm done putting on my ornaments, guys, I always like to go in with ribbons to kind of hide any opening, you know, on my tree. I don't like it when you're looking at my tree, you can see some blind openings on it. So that is exactly what I did here. And then over here I'm just going ahead to put in some pigs. I like to go ahead and put some Christmas pigs, you know, in on my tree. And also whatever I'm doing to the tree, I'm also doing to the garland by the TV side. This is called the power of editing, guys. In less than 2 minutes we finished this tree, but this tree actually took me over 7 hours to do, guys. All right, so over here I just went ahead and added some stockings, you know, to my TV area, because of course you can't do no Christmas decoration without, like, I feel like stockings help tie everything together. And then of course while I was putting the decoration and everything, we had some flock and, you know, just some residues from the glitter, from the ornaments and all those things that were all in the living room. So I'm just going ahead right now to kind of vacuum, to wipe down, to clean, and just get everywhere very clean and ready before then we begin to kind of decorate the coffee table, console table, end table, and, you know, all those good stuff. And then of course you guys know I recently also added this brand new what is it called, rug to my living room. I feel like this is just perfect for, it kind of is a neutral rug, right? So it just goes so well with my my living room decor for the Christmas time. And also, of course, whatever I'm doing to the living room, I'm also doing to the hallway, because the hallway is just direct, like you see the hallway first and then the living room. So I'm going ahead to vacuum, to mop, to clean, to, you know, and then over here I'm going ahead to add a tree skirt. This tree skirt, I looked for it for so long, and I'm so happy I finally found one from Home Goods, and I absolutely love it. And when I'm tying my when I'm putting on my tree skirt, guys, what I love to do is to go ahead and use some pillows and just put under it. This will make your tree look very, very full underneath. And also I went ahead and added some decorative boxes, and over here I'm adding this decor box, this Christmas tree box I got from At Home Stores. I absolutely love it. And of course, you can't finish your decor without some nice throw pillows, so that's exactly what I'm doing right here. Okay, so for my console table, I'm just keeping it very simple. I'm adding some corn. Is that scone? Or yeah, I think scone. And then for my end table, I decided to add this gift box and also this very ugly elf statue, guys. And then for my coffee table, I'm just kind of making it white. I wanted to keep it very, very neutral, so I did all white. And then for my entryway console table, I'm going to do kind of a small, you know, something on this table right here. So I went ahead and added this garland, and then for the garland, I like to kind of open it up so that it will look full. And then I went ahead and added these what are they called again? Oh my gosh, why is it that I always forget names of things whenever I'm doing my voiceover? What is that called again? Hey Jesus, I added some scones and okay, now I forgot that. And then for my door, I decided to add a wreath, and this actually looks so good, guys. And this is basically the finished look. This is how everything came together, and I absolutely love kind of the pink tone I decided to go with for my living room. So I now just remembered the name I was looking for. It's a deer. All right, guys, so moving on to the kitchen. On my kitchen, my dining, I decided to kind of lay down this garland, and then I'm just going ahead to open it up, because when these garlands when they come, guys, they always look so mangled up. But then you just go ahead, you need maybe 5-10 minutes to go ahead and open it up. So that is exactly what I'm doing right here, and this actually lights up, guys. So I just went ahead, plugged it in. And for my, you know, dining, I'm just going to keep it very, very simple. I added some there and also a scone, and then I you know, also added my plates, my cup, and that is it. Like, I'm just keeping the kitchen very, very simple. And over here on my console table in the kitchen, I decided to just add a flower vase. And then for my kitchen island, I first of all used this huge tray, but you guys are gonna see that, you know, later on I decided to switch it out because I felt like the tray was just too big for the arrangement I had for the kitchen island, it wasn't too much, so the tray just made it look like it was too much, so I just decided to switch it up at the end. But over here I just added a little bit of fake snow, and then I also added these $1 Christmas tree. Just like I said, I'm keeping it very simple, and then I added some candles, and I went ahead and added some ornaments to my dining table galette. And over here I'm just adding my Christmas tree to my countertop, and this one actually also lights up, so it's like it just adds an extra something to the decor. And then over here I just went ahead and added some towel. I wanted a towel to go like a gold towel, and also gloves. So this is basically what I was able to come up with. As you all can see, I actually decided to keep my hallway gold and also my kitchen gold. My living room is pink, and then the bedrooms I decided to do red. So this is basically all it is for the kitchen. Okay, so moving on, this is actually going to be our very first year of having a Christmas tree in our bedroom, guys. I actually wasn't planning on this, but the last time I went to At Home stores, guys, like I saw their Christmas tree was on sale. If you haven't gotten your Christmas tree yet, probably go check out At Home stores because they have a lot of sales. This Christmas tree right here, I got it for $40, guys, $40, and it also lights up. So you know what, when I saw it, I was like, okay, like I'm just gonna get it and then do a Christmas tree for our bedroom. So that is basically how I ended up with this tree. And also for our bedroom, I decided to go with kind of a red theme because of course you guys, Christmas is all about the red. So I was like, you know what, since I did gold and pink for the hallway, the kitchen, and the living room, so for the bedroom I decided to go with red. And I absolutely just doing the bedroom red just kind of made me be like, you know what, red is actually a perfect Christmas color because you can never go wrong with red when it comes to Christmas. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I went ahead and set up my Christmas tree and also added some ornaments. And I saw this kind of elf body or whatever it's called from At Home, and I decided to pick it up. And also I got some elf arms. So this is kind of an elf tree, guys. Like that is the theme for this tree right here. And of course I also added some red Christmas pigs, Christmas tree pigs. And this is basically all I could come up for our bedroom, and I absolutely love how it turned out. And of course, while I was putting up the Christmas tree and the decoration, I had some things fall off from everything. So that is basically what I'm doing. I'm just going ahead to vacuum. And then over here I added some Christmas skirts also from At Home stores. And of course, you guys, when you're doing your decoration, you don't want anywhere dirty, so I'm going ahead to kind of wipe and clean and just make sure everywhere is nice and well clean before then going ahead to finish up with the rest of the bedroom. Please before I forget, guys, please kindly take a moment and hit that like button. I actually forgot to let you guys know, but this video took me more than 3 days to film because there was no how I could finish everything the same day. All right, so for the bedroom, for the bed, I decided to also go with kind of a white and red theme. So I went ahead, just added some blankets, and also I decided to add some throw pillows. And I absolutely love these three Santa heads. You know, I got that pillow from Home Goods. A lot of you guys were asking after that pillow on my Instagram. It's from Home Goods, and this is basically all I could come up with for our bedroom, and I absolutely love this white and red theme, guys. So, you know, I had to keep the best for the last, right? And look who are getting a Christmas tree for their room this year. The twins! Oh my gosh, look at them. They're just all over the place, like playing, fighting, whatever it is that they are doing. But yeah, guys, over here, we decided to add a white Christmas tree to their room. And they were actually the ones that were like, since we already have a flock tree, we already have a green tree, maybe we can do a white tree. So that is basically what we're doing here. And also with this tree, when we found it in I think this was probably at Home Goods or at Home Stores or Home Goods, guys. It didn't have any lights, so of course we decided to add some string lights to it, and this is absolutely beautiful. Look how that light just gave life to that tree. Before it was just plain. All right, guys, look at Mr. Ace. Mr. Ace is also working as if he's helping, but of course you guys know what he's doing is he's going ahead to scatter and just keep taking out the ornaments. Like we will add the ornaments, he will go ahead and take them out. That is basically his job over there. But also for the kids' bedroom, we decided to do kind of white and red and gold and pink and green. They said they wanted all the colors of Christmas on their tree, so we did that. And over here, I think Angelique is helping me put on the Christmas tree skirt. And then also for their bed, we decided to add some red comforter, just something to tie everything together. And also from at home, we decided to pick up this Santa. You know, we picked up Santa and also this kind of baskets. The baskets, they said they are going to use it for like their pencils and their pens and whatever. And this is basically all we could come up, you know, for their bedroom. And you know, they love it, I love it. And yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.